On Saturn, with a magnifier, welcome to Saturnifier. Please click and subscribe to stay up to date with my latest videos. Thank you.
The life and soul of the party. Someone who is fun and exciting to be with. My sister is certainly the life and soul of the party. To bend over backwards. To try very hard to be helpful. Our supervisor bends over backwards to help us with our work. To lose your temper. To suddenly become very angry so that you cannot control yourself. She had lost her temper completely, suddenly, and even to herself, shockingly. Painfully shy. Very shy. She was painfully shy with the strangers. To put others first. To think of others before yourself. The job's important to him, but he puts his family first.
Well done, everyone. Please watch the video over and over again and review the lesson. As you know, practice makes perfect. Don't miss a thing. Please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon. Thank you.